Hey, I'm Karen from InStyle. We're here with Perrette, the eyebrow doctor, and today we're going to be getting my eyebrows microbladed.
You have a very good amount of eyebrows, so you're a really great candidate for that, and we can just fill in the spots that are missing and give them a little bit better shape. I will fill in the brows with a pencil. After I fill in with the pencil, I make little marker dots on the outline, so once I wipe off the pencil, I can still see the outline. I pick the color matching the eyebrow hairs. Then I will do 2 passes. In between, I keep adding more numbing cream. The overall process will take probably maybe like an hour or so. So the tattoo itself lasts about 1 year to 3 years. It depends on your skin and your lifestyle. The benefits of microblading, it's so much more natural, almost mimicking hair strokes so they look nicely and filled in. My clients vary from people who just want a little maintenance to little bit more filled in to people who have nothing. I'm gonna have you take a look at them in the mirror to make sure you're happy, and then you're done.
Ooh, they look really natural. It looks like actual hairs. It really wasn't that bad at all. I mean, when she first started, I could barely feel it. And like towards the end, you can feel a little more scratching. It was really the noise that was like really the most alarming thing. I'm very excited because I spent a lot of time filling in my brows in the morning and now I don't have to worry about that. So very happy. I love them.